Hey guys, welcome to this video. So today, as you see, I'm not putting my normal theme because we're doing a different topic. Not Roblox, not Fortnite. I've not even done a Fortnite video. Also, big thing to tell you. I know I've not been posting any videos for a really long time. I'm sorry about that, but that's how it works. Because you see, I've been busy now. It's this pandemic. So, as we get on to it, let's go. So, guys, we need 15 subscribers to go even higher. This is not enough. We need this to go all the way higher. Now, this is not at all enough. We need this much subscribers. At least it has to go here. This is the only thing I need you guys to go to. 100 subs. That's all, guys. And the subscribe button is free, okay? Free. So, guys, I hope it comes to this number. Let's just refresh our page. Alright, now we're back to 15 as usual. Let's make it 200, okay? Soon, I hope. Alright, so now, whoever subscribes, go to our discussion channel over here and go, hey, I am bad at spelling, okay? I am bad at my keyboard. Hey, Raven, I have subscribed to your channel. I'm not doing it writing channel also. Okay, I have Grammarly. Guys, if you need this, better use it. What's this? Hey Raven, I've subscribed to your channel, and for me, special code, you guys should use this thing. I have no clue what it's called, okay? But you guys have to use this thing, okay? So, let me see my recording. Okay, it's still recording, that's good. I'm always forgetful about my recordings. Okay. Oh no, I forgot what button that was. Okay, wait, let me just check. That was 3 and 4. Okay, so if I really need to pause, it's 3 and 4. That's good. Okay, now just comment it down. Hey Raven, I've subscribed to your channel, and don't worry, I will be replying to you and loving it and liking it. So you guys start doing it. I wonder why I can't even comment on any of my videos, but come on, you guys should do it at least. Alright, so now let's get on to the video. Today we're not going to be playing any Roblox or any Fortnite, even though I've not even posted anything. Let's play Scratch. It's a really cool game, and actually it's a coding game. So let's start, okay? So here's a really small tutorial. First, let's bring this cat over to the start. After that, here, if you want to add a sound, let's do this. Maybe let's add this. And then after that, let's go to motion and walk, maybe, okay, that works. Do not want to actually do that. Okay, let's do it for 7 seconds. 7 steps, I meant. And then let's go to control. Each way to do this is to go forever. And then add this to forever. Now let's go over to control, I guess. No, actually events. Okay, now let's add this. So actually what it means now is when you click the flag button, this meow sound and this movement will go at the same, like, forever. So now let's just add a, let's see, let us add a, okay, let's first add a backdrop now. Background or backdrop. Alright, so there's different types. You can choose anything you want. Let's see. Maybe we'll use the neon tunnel. It's cool. Let's just add the cat over here. And then after that, let us go to let's see. Alright, so now what we do is let's go to looks. Ooh, this will be really cool. This is a really cool part because you can do this. Now watch. Now if we say here, hello, my name is Mr. Catbo. It's a funny name though. So hello, my name is Mr. Catbo. Now what we have to do is let's test it out. So first let's add our cat right here. And let's click on the flag. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, looks like that worked. Nom 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 nom. Okay, so let's just pause. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Now, this is actually not so easy, but for me, I'm okay with it. Okay, so now we have the last step, okay? So, I don't really know that many stuff in this because I just started it today. So let's do the last thing, which could be... Alright, so let's lastly go to maybe... Okay, so let's see, how about sound? Maybe not sound. Okay, maybe sound. Alright, so first let's delete that. Let's add a new sound, okay? So let's record. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys? Just be quiet over there. Hello, my name is Mr. Catbo. Alright, sound really weird. What the? What just happened? Oh, come on. Okay, let's do it again. Now be quiet over there again. Hello, my name is Mr. Catbo. Alright guys, looks like we done it. Now, let's do it. Okay, let's test it first. Hello, my name is Mr. Catbo. Alright, it sounds like a robot, but more like an alien, but oh well. Safe. Alright. So we got this first recording. My name is Mr. Catbow. Alright. So now let's save it. Okay, it's already automatically saved. Let's go back to code. Let's go to sound. Let's go here. Yes, play sound. And then put it here. Now let's try it out. Hello, my name is Mr. Catbo. 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 Got it. So guys, this is how you do it. And let's see. Ooh, we can set the volume lower and higher. But we don't really need volume, so let's go. Okay, so the last thing, let's look at tutorials here. Let's see. Would you like to see make a chase game? I guess let's look at it. Alright, let's go. No. What do I do actually? Oh. Choose backdrop, ocean. Choose backdrop again. Oh, okay. Next. Go to sprite, go to octopus, go to sprite again, choose octopus. Oh yeah. And then, whoa, actually, this is right. Okay, okay. Hmm. Oh, this is a really good idea. Okay, so guys, remember our discussion over here. Oops. Remember over about discussion which is right here. Now you guys comment down below. Raven, please do another video of Scratch. SCRACTH. Scratch, please. Alright, so you guys just have to comment this down right here and do a special code. You know it. Let's do that. Let's do that. Alright, so you guys just need to do this. Comment it down below again. And that's all you have to do now. Alright, guys. So, you guys want to try out the online? If you guys want to check out the website type of Scratch, it'll be linked in the comments in the description down below. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Bye. Please subscribe too. Bye.